The Chennai-based startup is India's leading carbon fiber part manufacturer and has developed Asia's first continuous carbon fiber 3D printers. Carbon fiber is a critical composite powering new age innovations such as drones, EVs and air taxis. By automating its production, Fabheads reduces lead time and improves reliability. This venture was started in 2015 by Dinesh Kanagaraj and Abhijit Rathore, IITians working at the space agency Isro. Today, there are a lot of areas that use carbon fiber, including satellites, rockets, bicycles and surfing boards. From 2021, it began commercializing its products and supplied 3D printed parts to aerospace, automotive and any sector with a need for lightweight carbon fiber components. Almost 80% of our 3D printing machine is made of Indian components, says Nivas V, CMO Fabheads. Kanagaraj confidently says that their team can take any sector that is tapping modernization and new age technologies and likely be able to grow to the scale to serve Vande Bharat one day.